the GT Revolution. A 3-in-1 trimmer, edger, and mini mower that makes yard perfection easy. It's light, like lighter than a gallon of milk. Flexible, adjustable, lightweight, powerful, with command feed technology that extends line with the push of a button. A built-in extra spool holder. The GT is overthrowing unruly yards all over this great country. Your grass isn't going to trim itself, but the GT kind of makes it feel that way. Get your GT Revolution today.
Earthwise Sweep It Lawn and Leaf Sweeper has what it takes to keep your yard looking great in any season. Easy dial-in height adjustment ensures top performance on any surface. Grass clippings, leaves, nuts, or twigs, the Earthwise Sweep It cleans it all with only a push. It's lightweight and easy to push, and the super grabbing brushes can clean your yard quickly. Earthwise Sweep It is a high-capacity sweeper with super grabbing brushes. It's easy to push, easy to empty, and you can hang it on the wall when the job is done.
Our world has changed a lot over the last century. However, at American Lawnmower Company, our 125-year commitment to providing clean and green lawnmowers has remained the same. We've been producing quality reel mowers since 1895, and as the needs of homeowners have grown, we've grown alongside them. Our reel mowers have maintained their timeless look, but we've been busy this past century, designing and enhancing our lawnmowers. While always offering a full line of manual reel mowers, we've expanded by offering electric mowers, keeping true to our eco-friendly pledge. And with no gas or fumes and a high-quality scissor-like cut, our mowers will leave you, your family, neighborhood, and lawn happy and healthy. So whether you have a foot or an acre of lawn, we have the mower for your yard. American Lawnmower's roots go deeper than any other lawn and garden company, keeping the world green, one lawn at a time.
Make quick work out of loads of twigs, brush, and branches while turning your yard waste into beneficial mulch with the CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Joe. Its powerful 15-amp motor easily crushes, chips, and shreds branches up to 1.73 inches wide, while the 21-to-1 reduction ratio reduces sticks and dead vegetation to nutrient-rich ground cover, ideal for gardens and flower beds. Simply fill and empty the included collection bag or set it aside and make a mulch pile wherever it's needed. The chipper shredder comes equipped with sturdy wheels and a large transport handle for maximum mobility around the yard and garden. And Joe's safety features include a paddle feeder and a built-in safety switch. Plus, every CJ603E comes complete with a 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So go with Joe and get set to make more mulch. CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Joe. Get equipped.
Go with a self-propelled lawnmower from PowerSmart and take on him for better value than the competitors. You'll get rear-wheel drive and more rich features. Choose either the 21-inch cutting width model or the wider 22-inch model to get the job done even faster. And both models are 3-in-1, so you can mulch, side discharge, or bag the grass for a perfect yard. You also get multiple height adjustments, larger wheels, and more powerful easy start engines that leave the competitors behind at similar price points. The strong metal deck houses blades that lift and cut in a smooth motion, so you get a perfect cut in one pass. We believe that more power and features at a better value means you're the smart one.
Experience the easy way to take care of your garden. Simply open the Gardena Bluetooth app on your smartphone and you're ready to go. The Soleno Minimo proudly delivers best-in-class noise levels and is an expert navigator. It tackles up to 500 square meters and covers the narrowest spaces with ultimate precision. The Bluetooth app easily lets you define areas in the garden and the desired schedules. The intelligent robotic lawnmower, Gardena.
Works PowerShare. Same battery, expandable power. The only battery system versatile enough to power our whole family of 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt tools for your lawn, garden, home, and crafting projects with the same battery. The one-of-a-kind stackable technology allows you to use the same battery for your 20-volt drill, 40-volt blower, 80-volt mower, and in every other Works and Works Nitro PowerShare product we make. Choose the right amount of power output for every project and move between 20-volt, 40-volt, and 80-volt products with ease without investing in a whole new battery system. Want even more power? PowerShare Pro high-capacity batteries significantly increase your productivity, performance, and runtime to get your job done better and more efficiently. Charge quicker, last longer, do more. Same battery, expandable power.